All right, y'all. I know I haven't posted on this channel for about a month, but don't worry. We have been hard at work. We've been doing a lot of modifications, a lot of upgrades, a lot of changing this, changing that, fixing here, fixing there. My homie came up from Florida, I believe January 1st, and we got straight to work. As soon as he got here, he unloaded his tools and got working. That's why some of these clips do look a little random, because we just literally started working as soon as he got here. I believe the first thing we did was we went to the auto parts store to make sure we got all the parts that we needed to complete all the projects. And then the first project we actually did were the headlights. Yes, we did the headlights, but we did the serpentine belts, we did the spark plugs, the spark plug wires, the quarter panel, the sunroof, struts, antenna, so many different projects within that week we did. So this is going to be the first video. I believe it should be about 4 to 5 videos dropping once or twice every week. So you should have enough videos for the next month or so going live. If some of the clips seem random, they were because sometimes we just started filming out of nowhere. We would just wake up and then we would just start doing projects. So some of the clips might seem random, but don't worry, everything was done for a reason. We did the oil change as well. We did the spark plug wires, some other minor fixes here and there. The wheels, we finally put the wheels on. So those are all upcoming videos. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Like I said, this channel is not going anywhere. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but content is on the way. Trust me. I've just been a little bit busy, and working on the car has taken me forever because I am new to it. Luckily, my homie was here to help me, but I am still new to it. So, I'm getting used to recording and working on the car at the same exact time, and then editing, and plus my full-time job. So videos will be coming. Don't worry, I got y'all. So enjoy these next couple of videos because they're gonna be bangers. Minor touch-ups, minor fixes, but some of the stuff needed to get fixed. I hope you guys do enjoy, and enjoy these clips from January 1st. All right, y'all. So we just got back from the store. We went to Harbor Freight, and this man is speaking over here. And what is it, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts? I don't know, but we just got a boatload of tools and supplies. So let me show you while this monkey over here is trying to figure this out. Look at this guy. How about we read the manual? I think we should probably read the manual. It's probably the best thing to do. Yeah, I don't think you know how to get it out, and the manual might have all of the answers that you need. Look how clean it is. Ooh-wee. It's looking clean. We got, what are these called? These are called the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands right there, looking beautiful. We got that mobile one for once we do the oil change. Let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, we got these tire stops right here, wheel locks, whatever these guys are called exactly. Wheel chokes. We got this fire torque wrench right here. Let's see, old reliable WD-40. You'll get off of me. We got right here to help us with that oil filter. Serpentine belt tool, looking clean. Oil pan, some funnels. What else? Okay, so at AutoZone, we got this kit right here to help clean the headlights, make them super clean and crystal clear. What else? Some brushes. So we picked up these wire brushes right here to help us clean. What are we cleaning? Valve cover right here to help clean that, make that all new again. Right here we have the valve cover gasket. Ooh, okay, stop playing with your boy. We got the sparkies, the spark plugs right here. You guys already know the vibes. Belts. We got 3 different belts on this car. Nick, have you ever changed belts that are 3 different belts?
Nope.
There's always a first for something, right? Right there, we got the oil filter, looking clean. What else do we pick up? We got some Seafoam Auto Marine Fleet. He was telling me that this cleans out all of the stuff. I don't know what it cleans out, but it cleans out all of the stuff. Oh, right here, cleans injectors, cleans carb jets, stabilizes fuels, controls moisture and fuels, cleans deposits, basically cleans out all of those lines. And we still have one more belt to pick up. We had to order it. And our spark plug wires we had to pick up as well. We had to order those. Those should be in about 2 days. They should be in. And then we'll start working on the car. Start doing the fresh tune-up. The spark plugs wires, serpentine belts, oil changes. And we're just going to continue to work on this car. So let's get it. All right, I can't back it up. Relax. I can't back it up. But I think the first modification, or the first project, I guess we should call it, that me and my boy Nick are gonna do, we are gonna fix the headlights. We're gonna make them super crystal clear. He says he's a professional at doing it. Let's put it to the test and let's actually see how good he can get these headlights. So this is how the headlights look before. Foggy, not too bright, not too crystal clear, but right here you guys can see the fog, oxidation, whatever you want to call it. A little bit of yellowing on this one, and then right there, same thing with the fogginess. Now let's turn these guys crystal clear and super bright. So what are we starting off with?
800.
800 grit sandpaper.
Yes, ma'am.
We start off with that, and we sand down the lights. Okay, I like the sound of that, my boy.
Putting it on there.
I was seeing that. I was making sure if you knew what you were doing. 800 grit, and then what do we move to? 1,000, 1,500, 2,000?
Yes, ma'am. We keep going up.
All right, so now it's saying to get a water and a spray bottle. We don't have a spray bottle, so I'm just going to flick the water on as we're sanding. So I guess it's going to be like a wet sanding mixture, I guess. So your headlight might look a little bit more scratched, but that's the process. We're going to keep scratching it up and then eventually buff it all out to make it super clear. All right, y'all, I'm not going to lie. I was a little bit worried seeing the process, but like the 76ers, you got to trust the process. Look how clean and clear this headlight came out. This is just one of them. As you guys can see, a side-by-side comparison. We got the nice, clean, super polished one versus that yellow, crusty, oxidized one. Nick, let them know how you achieved this beautiful look, my boy.
Yes, sir. 800, 15, 3,000.
Yes, sir. In that order with the polisher right there with the cream on it?
Then we polish it. Mothers, like my mother.
Ooh, okay.
And then we use this.
All right, y'all. This is day 2 of the headlight restoration. The first one took about 45 minutes to an hour, but now we have it down packed. We know what we're doing, so we should be able to knock out the rest of the 3 headlights fairly quickly. So let's get back to it.
Twenty minutes later.
So boom, here we have the second headlight right here looking super clear and crispy. Now let's turn these into those beautiful clear bulbs again. All right, so the last step in the process is getting the buffer brush right here, this blue one right here. It's like a spongy brush. Then pouring the liquid solution right there in the middle, about a nickel size, and then you're gonna get your headlights super crystal clear. And that, ladies and gents, is how you restore your Acura Integra headlights to get them super crystal clear with just a couple of steps. This is amazing. I love the process. Turned them from yellow foggy to basically brand new factory clean. All right, so the final step in the process after you get your headlights super clear, you're gonna wanna clean it with some Windex or generic glass cleaner, and then you can spray the clear coat on top of it. So guys, we did the first coat and it's looking beautiful. We're about to do the second coat and then these headlights are all wrapped up. But there you have it, super clean, super refreshed, brand new factory-like headlights right there. Just a couple of steps. Looks amazing. Definitely recommend it. Definitely a project you guys can do at your house. All right, y'all. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. I will be answering any questions, and my homie over here will help me out. If I don't have the answer, he will have the answer. So I appreciate you guys. Make sure you smash the like button and more projects to come. I'm telling you, we're about to kill it. We got so many projects lined up. We're going to do so much content on this car. So stay tuned and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button.